welcome to our new chapter, subject verb agreement. Look at this sentence. Grandmother was praying and telling her beads. Here grandmother is singular number, so was is used. The sparrows were. Sparrow was, sparrows were. So plural subject takes plural agreement. Singular subject takes singular agreement. So now today's concept, subject verb agreement. Which verb can be agreed properly near the subject? There are so many rules we have to discuss about the subject verb agreement. Here subject if I, agreement is am, verb agreement. We are, you are, they are, the students are. He, she, it, Gopal, Rani, the teacher, third person singular number. Is or was is used. The teacher and the students are. The cow eats. Eats is singular. It's singular. If a verb carries s or es, that is singular. Eat plural. Cows plural. Goats plural. Sheep plural. So plural subject takes plural agreement, plural verb. Singular subject takes singular agreement. That is called as a subject verb agreement. First structure. Rule 1. Verbs used after an introductory there. If there is an introductory, look at the sentence. There is a book or there was a book. Is singular, verb is used. Why? Book is singular. Your book is singular, so that is singular. Was is singular. So if there is introductory, singular noun agrees with singular verb. Then plural noun. There are 4 books. 4 books plural noun. Plural noun agrees with plural verbs. First one. The second one. Look at the second sentence. When it is used in the normal subject position, in case of time, distance, weather, it is 10 past 12. 10 past 12 is time. It is 2 miles to the beach. 2 miles is a distance. It is or it was raining heavily. So raining is your weather, time, distance, weather. In case of these situations, we use singular agreement. Second one. First we have to notice if there is an introductory, singular verb takes singular agreement, plural verb takes plural agreement. Then second, time, distance, weather, money always takes singular agreements. Rule 2. When a plural number applies distance, time, weight, amounts of money and represent a singular figure or quantity. For example, 50 kilometers. 50 kilometers is distance. So singular agreement is 60 years is time. 2 kilos weight. Amounts of money 5 rupees is. Rupees is used 5 rupees. Amounts of money singular agreement. So distance, time, weights, amounts of money we use singular agreement. When two nouns connect with and stand in the sentence as a one notion, bread and butter. Each bread is a noun, butter is a noun. If bread and butter, that means that is one notion. So that we use truth and honesty is the best policy. Is curry and rice was my favorite, his favorite food. So if two nouns join by and regarded as the single object or notion, we use singular agreement. Then in case of plural noun subjects, for example, plural subject, look at the sentence Gopal and his sister. Gopal singular, his sister singular, but Gopal and his sister plural. Gopal has, his sister has, because they are singular. But Gopal and sister have come. 2 boys and 3 girls have written their essay. 2 boys plural, plural and plural, 3 girls plural, so that have is used. If a collective noun in the singular may take singular verb, the jury, the members of jury were divided in their opinions. They were divided there. Jury means a number of members, it relates to members. But here in the second sentence, the jury has selected its chairman. Here jury means one body. So we use family. Family is family. R can be agreed after family. Why? Because if we say about family members, that means we use R, family R. If we say about family as an unit, that means family is. Here committee was unanimous on the issue. Single unit is meant by committee, so was used. The committee were members, it relates to individual members, so that committee was. Some nouns like police, police, people, poultry, cattle, they take plural verb. The police have. The people of India are concerned about their spiritual welfare. So the people of India are. The people are, the police have, the poultry have, the cattle are, because cattle means, these are the words, cattle means number of cows. These are the words police, people, poultry, cattle, takes plural verbs. Now the fifth one, the noun clothing, food, furniture, stationery, cutlery, crockery, jewelry, this takes singular agreement. His clothing is, food is, furniture needs is singular, need is plural, stationery is. So these are the structures of rules and subject verb agreement. You have to do, after understanding the 5 rules, you have to do activity 1. Plenty of job opportunities there, so that we use are. There are plenty of job opportunities. Plenty of room, so we use where. 2 plus 2, single noun is. 2 twos are 4, 2 plus 2 is 4. 70 kilometers, here distance is. Fish and chips is single notion. So you can do accordingly.